The human body is quite wonderful. It can stand or walk for miles, swim for hours in the ocean, and doesn't break down when exposed to extreme heat or cold. Our bodies are born with a particular amount of cells, but they are constantly broken down and rebuilt by our bodies. Unfortunately, we frequently overlook the importance of exercising to keep these systems working efficiently. This video will detail 7 distinct workouts that you should perform on a daily basis to keep your body healthy and powerful. Planks. Planks are a great technique to work your abdominal muscles as well as your entire body. Sit-ups and crunches may strain your back, while planking stabilizes your core without doing so. Begin with your hands and toes firmly planted on the ground, your back straight, and your core taut in a push-up stance. Maintain a small chin tuck and your sight directly in front of your hands. Deep, controlled breaths should be taken while maintaining tension throughout your entire body, including your abs, shoulders, triceps, glutes, and quads. To begin, do 2-3 sets of 30-second holds. Burpees. Burpees are a high-intensity whole-body exercise that gives you a lot of bang for your buck in terms of cardiovascular endurance and muscle strength. To begin, stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart and your arms at your sides. Begin squatting with your hands out in front of you. When your hands reach the ground, return to a push-up stance by straightening your legs. By bending at the waist, jump your feet up to your palms. Bring your feet as near to your hands as possible, landing them outside if necessary. Jump while standing up straight and raising your arms above your head. This is 1 repetition. As a beginner, do 3 sets of 10 reps. Lunges. A well-rounded fitness plan should include challenges to your equilibrium. Lunges accomplish this by fostering functional movement while also increasing leg and glute strength. Begin by standing shoulder-width apart with your arms down at your sides. Step forward with your right leg, bending your right knee, and halting when your thigh is parallel to the ground. Make sure your right knee doesn't go beyond your right foot. Return to the starting position by pushing up with your right foot. Reverse the process with your left leg. This is 1 repetition. Complete 3 sets of 10 reps. Push-ups. Like planks, work out your entire body by strengthening your arms, core, and chest while also increasing flexibility and range of motion. Push-ups can be performed in a variety of ways, depending on your current fitness level. If you're just getting started, try doing them standing up with your knees completely extended. To enhance intensity while removing some support from their legs, expert exercisers can try placing their feet on top of a chair or bench. Elevating your feet onto another chair or bench is another approach to make push-ups more difficult. Squats are an excellent lower body exercise to do if you're searching for a challenging workout. They will not only strengthen your quadriceps, calves, and buttocks, but they will also improve your flexibility and lower body strength. To squat, do the following. To maintain your equilibrium, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and palms facing out. Squat down by bending your knees. During the exercise, keep your back straight and your head up. As you lower your body, keep your shoulders back and your chest out, making sure you don't hunch over. Return to the starting position. Rep until you've completed the required number of reps. Tabletop leg extension. This is a fantastic exercise for your thighs and bottom. It's a fun twist on the standard tabletop exercise. Use some ankle and wrist weights for increased benefit. On your hands and knees, prop yourself up. Stretch one leg back and forth. Stretch the opposing hand up and forth at the same moment. Hold the position for 5 seconds. Return to your starting position and repeat on the other side. Dead bug exercise. This workout is beneficial to your core. The dead bug exercise is named for the fact that you resemble an insect on its back. Sounds strange? I know. Stretch your arms up to your knees while lying on your back. Lower one leg and arm almost to the floor while maintaining the same position with the other leg and arm. Return to your starting position and repeat, working the other half.